Didn't listen to me, did you?
Boy, that other one was
Hey.
loaded. That other one was loaded.
Hey, it's bad when a youngin's right, ain't it?
I don't know too much about that blue catfish. I'm a hop fish. How much you have to pay a block, 8?
Yeah, 16 something for 2 of them. Well, I didn't put but half a block in there. Thin. But that was half a block, you know.
Yeah. Ooh, it's cold out here today.
You got sunglasses on.
Coming up heavy, ain't it?
Can't tell. Feels like it's coming up heavier. Must have just been pulling against that current. Ain't much in it. Pretty good mess, though. Some better ones.
Yeah. Good.
Tell you what I'm gonna do.
Pretty good. Throw that other half in there.
we're out here on Darbone today, Lake Darbone here in North Louisiana, raising these wire nets today, me and Mr. Lloyd and Danielle. And I was going to tell y'all about a few things in case you didn't know. We had a few changes on the rules and regulations this year. All of our gear, hoop nets, slat traps, wire nets, even limb lines, trot lines, all that stuff has to be tagged this year with a waterproof tag with your name, license number, or phone number, address. You're gonna have to read the pamphlet to see exactly what, but I opted for license number and my name, and I'm using these little aluminum tags. I just took a engraver. You can see right there I put my name and my license number and all on it. You can even write on both sides of it. Just take a piece of twine, tie that onto our nets. That's what we're using. A couple more things. In the state of Louisiana, we're allowed, a lot of people from out of state ask questions all the time in the videos about why we keep what we keep and all. Well, we eat these fish, you know, these channel cats and stuff. Like Darbone here is very high population of channel cats in this lake, and we fillet a lot of these fish and eat them. And Louisiana's got very liberal limits. We don't always keep a limit, but even on our crappie and stuff, we got pretty liberal limits compared to other states because we got a lot of water. And all these waterways are just chock full of fish. We're blessed with a lot of fish here in Louisiana. Like crappie, we can keep 50 crappie, you know, each day per license holder. So that's a lot of crappie. And there's days when we catch that many. Catfish, these channel cats, blue cats, and flatheads, you can keep 100 per person. And 25 of those catfish can even be undersized. Like on the channel cats, got to be 11 inches. You can keep 25 of your 100 can be under that size. So yeah, we try to throw back all of those because they're just too hard to dress anyways when they go to getting that small. But I'm just letting y'all know what we're allowed here in Louisiana. So that's just something I was gonna go over. Let some people out there know we're all the time getting those questions, and maybe that'll answer some of the questions for you guys. I think we run today. We had about 100 fish, maybe just under 100 fish today that we kept out of 2 nets. The catch fell off a little bit. We've been doing pretty good, so we'll probably make one more run. We had dropped to half a block. We put a whole block in them today just to see, does that pick back up with a whole block, or is it they're just moving out of the channel? So we'll see. We're going to run them one more time, probably pull them up, and get ready to get into some hoop net fishing. That's going to be it for this one. God's Country Hunting and Fishing, keeping it real.